Hello techies, welcome to UiPath tutorials. In this session, we will learn how to reply to an Outlook mail message which we have received in the Outlook by using UiPath Studio. If you see on my screen that I'm having a lot of mails, right? I have received from different people like Basha.Amir86 and after that from AR Home Gardening, Learning Technologies. They're the different mails that I have received from the different people. Now, I want to reply them by using UiPath Studio. So how can I go ahead and do that by using my Outlook mail message? Let me switch to UiPath Studio. I have already created a sequence with the name of reply to Outlook mails. This is my sequence. If you see over here in this sequence that we are having, get the Outlook mail message to fetch the mail from the Outlook. And after that, if you see the properties, I'm using the filter to fetch only particular email ID. That if you see from email that I want to filter all the emails which has been received from basha.amir86@gmail.com. After filtering it, I'm going to give the count over here that I'm going to give the count by using message box. Now, once all the mails have been read by the get Outlook mail message, I'm going to store in all mails. That is my variable output. If you see in the variables that I'm having all mails, the variable type is list of mail message that we have seen in the previous session also. Now, whatever the mails that have read by the get Outlook mail message, which we have been received in the Outlook that I want to reply them. How can I go ahead and do that? There is an activity in UiPath Studio that is reply to Outlook mails. If you see over here in the Outlook that I'm having reply to Outlook mail message activity which replies to the email identified by the universal ID. That is nothing but that I'm having unique email ID, right? How can I go ahead and do that? First of all, we'll see the properties of reply to Outlook mail message. Let me drag and drop this activity onto the panel and then we'll see the properties. First of all, if you see the attachments over here, whenever you want to reply to the particular person, then you will, if you want to attach any mails, then you can go ahead and you can attach it in the collection format. You can see the attachments collection. If you want to give any attachment, you can go ahead and you can give by using these two properties. Along with that, you can see over here, there's the attach files also, where you can go ahead and attach by using wizard also. That we have seen in many sessions, right? Now, if you see the display name over here, that is the display name reply to Outlook mail message. That is the default display name that we got for this activity. And the timeout, how much time that by the time we have to send the mails or reply to the particular mail. Okay, now the body. In the body, I'm going to give it as thank you for emailing us. We'll get back to you as soon as possible regarding Teams. This is my reply to the people who have sent to me an email. Okay, this is where if you are working in supporting team, in that case you're going to get any email for the particular email ID. At that time, you're going to send this kind of replies. Okay, now let me click on OK. And the mail message, what are the mails we have read it for each and every mail that we have to send it. This is the mail message. Okay, now let me delete this. And how can we read each and everything? By using for each, right? Now let me go to that. And if you see system, the type of argument, we are going to change it to system.net.mail message, right? Now in the body of for each loop, I'm going to use reply to mail message. Okay, and now you can see the item or the mail over here, which is that is the item, because of I'm going to read each and everything, right? And I'm going to select that. And now you can see over here in the for each, what is the thing that I have to select? All mails. The mails what we have read it from the get Outlook mail message, that is I'm going to use it in the for loop, right? Now what I'm going to do after replying to all the mails, I have to just simply saying the a message box over here saying that all mails has replied successfully. So this is for the bot completion. Just I'm going to use this. Okay, now let me go to Outlook and you can see in the sent items, I don't have any emails. Okay. Now let me go ahead, let me run the bot execution started, and you can see the mail filter mails count is with the email ID that I'm having 6, that is Bashar.Amir86. Let me go ahead, let me click on OK. Now what will happen, all the mails it has been replied, which is the count we got it from the get Outlook message. You can see the message box, all mails has been replied successfully. Okay, let me click on OK. Now let me go to Outlook, and you can see in the sent mails, sent items, we have received all the mails which we have sent to the particular. You can see Basha, what are the emails that we got it, all the mails has been sent it. Now, how can we confirm? You can see over here, thank you for emailing us. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Regards team. This is what we have sent it, right? Now, let me go to my email ID, which I have seen. You can see over here all the emails that saying that received mails over here, right? Now, let me expand this. And you can see over here, thank you for emailing us. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Regards team. This is the mail what we have sent from the UiPath Studio. This is how we are going to reply the mails from the Outlook by using reply to Outlook mail message activity. I hope you understand how to use reply to Outlook mail message activity in this session. Thank you for watching UiPath tutorials. If you have any queries related to this concept, please post them in the comment section. I will see you in the next session. Till then, bye-bye. Have a nice day.